Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Transformation. Today in this video, we'll talk about Burger King. We're sure you must have heard this name before or even tried their brand. We'll start with knowing a little history of Burger King. How Burger King is growing by leveraging its digital supply chain. Burger King is the owner of worldwide recognized Burger King brand, widely known as the home of Whopper, which was formed in 1954 by James W. McAmore and David Egerton. It's the world's second largest hamburger fast food franchisee. Their dedication to superior ingredients, iconic recipes, and family friendly dining experiences has defined the brand for more than 50 years. The current estimated annual revenue of Burger King is $5 billion, whereas its estimated employees are 45,000. Now let's know how it is leveraging its digital supply chain. Number 1. Supply chain leadership. The organization has better managed supplier relationships, including information, life cycle, and risk, all in one location, thanks to digital supply chain platform. It has also established a digital channel for transacting with certified suppliers to meet cost targets while also adhering to corporate sustainability and ethical standards. Burger King has negotiated discounts and ensured that those reductions are realized thanks to this real-time collaboration. Number 2. Investment to unleash the data's power. Burger King has emphasized its prior strategy in the last 2 years by introducing more sophisticated capabilities into its marketing efforts to increase consumer interaction. Burger King's marketing team, led by Fernando Machado, created the Whopper Detour, a stunt campaign. To trigger the promotion, customers needed to download the new Burger King app and be within 600 feet of a Burger King's location. Number 3. Value created data assets and digitized solutions and processes. The various data available at each phase of hamburger journey, from the supply chain activities to acquire ingredients, maintain assortment and merchandising, to the cooking processes at each retail outlet, may be unfathomable, and hence Burger King has won with its supply chain 4.0 in VUCA. McDonald's and Wendy's are losing ground to Burger King. The fast food business is growing in the United States at a time when its competitors are shrinking or staying the same. The reasons behind Burger King's success are: firstly, the company believes that by attracting clients looking for everyday value and offering the opportunity to access the company's brand for the first time, it would be able to expand its customer base. The brand has also effectively emphasized simplicity, adding sauces, cheese, or bacon when in doubt, and continues to benefit from successful promotions. Let's discuss the 3 points that a supply chain leader should learn. Number 1. Firstly, he should learn project management skills. A project is nothing more than a collection of minor day-to-day operations and processes. Throughout their careers, supply chain leaders will be involved in a variety of projects, so they should have digital supply chain skills for it. Number 2. A supply chain leader should be able to comprehend market dynamics and economics. We know that global economy is swiftly and unpredictably evolving. Hence, a supply chain leader must have the knowledge and ability to access market demand and supply patterns and adjust the organization's strategy accordingly. Number 3. He should learn machine learning and data visualization skills. The supply chain 4.0 role has grown significantly in the recent years. There is no need to forecast demand based on many variables. They must decide on the inventory policy of the company depending on market conditions. Machine learning methods are highly useful in this situation. Leaders can use data visualization to understand patterns and make more informed decisions. Even so, without understanding machine learning ideas, it will be tough to comprehend the reports generated by those complex technologies. We hope that you enjoyed watching a video and gained sufficient knowledge from it. Please subscribe our channel Learn Transformation and kindly press the bell button to keep yourself updated on our latest videos. Happy learning with Learn Transformation.